Nice evening to be working on the trailer.
What about you? I ate it on my way here. You don't want it?
Oh my gosh, how sad.
She made it for you.
Where's that Canadian syrup, bro? You need the honey thing?
Bro.
Ooh, that's looking real snug like.
Huh? We didn't do that one right.
Who's
look
we?
at this one. Because me and you put that bar there.
Damn. Oh, why?
Joe.
What's wrong?
It's not even.
What do you mean it's not even?
It's wider up here than it is back here. It's off by a quarter. Well, my thing's trying to say is that you welded that wrong, Joe.
What does that do? Oh, is that for your forge?
I went to a class yesterday.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, dude, we made these things. And look.
You made that?
Yeah.
Oh, like you heat up the two pieces and...
Oh, this thing was only like this big when we started. And we just stretched it out. So this meat's up here.
Sip, 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 sip.
I should cut it. Cut this one. Yeah, screw it in more.
Oh, yeah.
You're gonna put it there or here? Oh, that's right.
Oh,
I should put it here.
Yeah. Well, best at the tightest spot, you know?
Yeah,
back.
Just gonna have to grind this. Ooh, my nachos.
Watch out.
What's next?
Hello.
The sink doesn't like the weld, but This video is sponsored by Jalisco Estrello. Estrella Jalisco. ¿Cómo te extraño? Yeah, shit.
It's got that
Strong,
resistance.
that's why. Yeah.
It wasn't that strong earlier.
Well, because you only
Yeah,
had
but-
one.
Oh.
Yeah, it's double.
Yeah, but imagine you're gonna have the weight of the tin and the other thing. It's gonna come out easy, dude. And how'd you determine that those are the ones you wanted to get? Like, did you look at the weight on that or what?
Yeah.
What are they?
150 each.
That means they should be able to carry me.
Yeah, go on there.
Like it will go up?
Let's see. Yeah, sure.
Let's give it a little. Just give
How
it a
much
little.
you weigh?
It's not gonna just pick it up.
Well, because it would just put the latch on.
You want the whole family inside, and then you be like, oh, I forgot my blanket warmer
No.
or whatever, and
No,
you be like,
because then
hold on, family. Sit down, Abel. Yeah. That's sick.
This guy's thing is gonna be gold, dude.
Custom.
Symmetrical.
I don't know. I'm kind of tempted to buy this thing now too, dude.
Electric?
'Cause you'd
Don't be a
able-
little
Yeah, but
sucker,
you'd be able
dude.
to use
We
it
love
in,
the trees, man. Come on.
What?
You'd be able to use it in the campground.
I'll buy that motor off you, shoot. If it doesn't, it probably doesn't even run. You don't even know it runs.
If I get it running, it's gonna be double the price.
So what's the price right now?
$50.
Yeah, fix it. I'll give you 100. It's yeah, dude. I know you're gonna make it work, so it's like it's funny, but it's gonna go. You know? That's so tight.
Yeah, dude.
Heck yeah. The Mexican Elon Musk is at work in this garage here. This sucker goes. If you want to know more about this bike, hit up Sam. No, this is like a traditional mini bike frame, so it has like the space for a motor like that, but like it's so simplistic with the electric motor. Like it's like this is it, dude. Like
You should put the batteries right here, though. Dude, I'm gonna have like 4 batteries on that sucker. More in here, that way you could.
yeah, but you have you put it like right here, right?
And then you make a frame for all of this. You can't even see nothing in here.
Time for paint. To rip apart a gate. Because we're going to paint it outside. Because we be like that. You know it's going to be all scratched up anyway. Don't need no fancy paint job. Different scene from Sam's garage, that's for sure. Alright, here we are. We got it hitched up. Gonna back it up to the backyard. Dang, looks pretty cool. Bulletproof. So you just backs it up full speed and take out that other panel. That'd be the quickest way. Heavy duty, I'd say that'll handle any trail. So more assistants arrived. Sam_Hovel. The electric scooter / bike extraordinaire.
I'm gonna bring some jack stands, I'm gonna bring the bike, I'm gonna bring what else do you need, my thing? I'm serious.
Yeah, go bring it all, dude. Nah, you don't need to go. Cerveza for later.
Many unbearable hours later.
Got her all wiped down. Open these wheel wells up so we can paint back there. We're gonna tack this piece down. Sam's gonna do his welding skills and tack that down. Okay, so last we saw the
That's gross. Clean it. What?
he threw it up on the cement. Okay.
That's what we're working with.
Last we saw the trailer, it didn't have the rack. It didn't have for the camper. It didn't have panels.
It didn't have the doors.
The doors you were working on. So let's see it.
Yeah, so since then, the doors now open and close, both sides. Right?
Styling.
Doors open.
That's where the beers are.
Yeah.
Okay.
Put it on back.
Stand by.
The back door. Put one in here, you know.
So you got the access to all the stuff inside, like storage.
And I don't think we had this. And then I put some gas struts on, so solid.
Orale.
You know.
That's tight.
So this is just.
So you can get in, you know, if there's stuff to the front you need to get, you grab it here, you can raise up the top.
And since my wife doesn't have a lot of upper body strength.
Oh, watch out, watch out.
You know?
You're testing the waters right now. You better leave those comments to a minimum.
Close it up, you know?
But that's cool. So you throw everything camping related, all your storage is gonna be in here. Towards the front, because you have those doors, are you gonna put like a wall to separate, or is it just gonna be completely open?
Maybe eventually, if I get a cooler, if I ever get a cooler that fits in that slot, then yeah, I'd like to break it up, you know?
Yeah, because if this stuff was moving around, you probably,
Yeah.
or you get those, like I have, like those brackets,
Yeah.
those struts or whatever. I don't know what they're called.
Yeah.
Nice.
So we gotta do that.
And today's paint day. It's gonna be gloss black.
Have a little shine to it. With the help of
That-
all my friends.
That 3-to-1 Rust-Oleum ratio. Sam's just pissed because he's hanging out with a bunch of amateurs over here.
Yeah.
So we picked this guy up at Home Depot. He's gonna tack some of these pieces down so we're not rattling down the highway.
Can't see. It's dark in there. Take your sunglasses off.
Mobile mechanical.
Mobile service. I was like, why is it so dark in there?
24-hour mobile service.
Works for beers.
All right, we'll come back when we're ready for paint. All right, so again, we're doing a 3-to-1 ratio. So when you get these, they're like 90 cents at Home Depot. 3-to-1. These are all different parts, but we're only worried about this one here. So first part is going to be paint. We'll go all the way up to 5, and then the second part will be the thinner. We'll put it there. But if you have a third part, you can add it there. But we're only going to do the paint and then the thinner, and just spray it on. So it's going to go up to this 5 mark. You can see it.
Let's do it down here just in case.
Oh my God! Look at this, dude.
Yeah, I don't think that ain't gonna work.
Good. Okay, so right there's fine. So here's the line 5. We're just right under it, but that's all right. Okay, so we're gonna come up to the second part, 5, with thinner. Oh my gosh, it's all over the table. Nobody light a match over here.
That's not how you're supposed to dump it. You're supposed to do it on the side.
What do you mean?
You gotta tilt
like
the can.
this way?
Yeah. So you gotta tilt the can. That's the reason they do that way.
Like this?
No, the other way.
Like this?
Yeah, the other way. If you do it this way, the air goes to the top, and if you dump it this way, it gets air and it doesn't do the whole like bloop bloop bloop.
I think you only love me cause I'm poppin'. This a layup, this a rebound, then it's driving.
Now we're all ready for paint. Let's get those slow-mo vibes.
You know it's knocking. I'm not the same. Thinking money made me change, nothing else to blame. Bougie stuck up in my way, singing Gucci gang. Gucci gang. Think I'm Gucci Mane. I'm just playing in the cut, I got my Vans on. I'm not selfish, I get on to put my mans on. Always greedy since the day I got my first safe. 5'7", but I'm 6'8" when I stand on the money pals. Need a money counter, I broke my thumb from thumbing down. Wifey on my line, she told me to dumb it down. Mama on my line, asking how I'm dumbing now.
Alright, my team. Let's go. Did you learn? Oh, you want me to do it? Oh.
Now you gotta do it. No, we're having fun watching you. Oh, Sam's back on it, huh? Whose build is this? do wheelies?
Oh, it does more than wheelies, man. It's scary.
Oh my gosh, I'm actually nervous.
Yeah, dude. Just remember, you don't have brakes. I haven't gotten to that part yet.
That's alright, it's not important. Oh my god.
This guy almost got hit.
Seriously. For anybody's watching this thing, hauls, it takes off. It has so much torque, dude. It's not even funny. Let me start back here a little bit. It won't even start in 3. I have to put it like in 2 to go.
It takes a little bit to start on 3, yeah.
Ready? This is 3. Dude, you need to get brakes on this thing.
Yeah. Yeah.
This thing's wild.
Yeah.
Oh my
I was supposed
God.
to work on the brakes today, but you know, buddy called.
So cool, dude.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, it's so cool. Wow. That's amazing. I was kind of skeptical at first when I saw you build. I knew it was going to be tight, but I didn't think it was going to be this powerful. I thought it was going to kind of be a little sluggish, but like kind of get you around. But this thing is too fast.
It's
Like,
way
this
too
is exactly. This is like a Tesla of mini bikes. If you were riding on this thing right now, you'd be like, oh my gosh.
You know, I put on my video, the sketchy thing is that these things are not meant to go this fast. Like, look at this. Like, there's no bearings on this thing. It's just a bolt, like a 1/2-inch bolt and with a lock nut on there.
But that's how mini bikes are. They're freaking dangerous. They're like, they'll fall apart in a heartbeat. But that's what's
and look
fun
at
about
this.
them.
Like, I want to put some bearings on here because this thing's way too fast. And you know what's the crazy thing too? I can make it go even faster. Yeah, because they sell a sprocket that's a little bit bigger than this. And
So,
I mean,
of
with the
course
torque that it
it'll go.
has, yeah, you
It'll
don't
go.
need it's torquey enough, but you could put I think it's an 11-tooth sprocket,
Yeah.
and it'll go even faster, which is like
It's
this if you're
ridiculous.
sketchy. Yeah, like this if you're sketchy. So
I'd weld that sucker on there so it wouldn't fall off.
I'm probably gonna
I'll just cut it
drill.
off
I'm probably gonna drill through this and put a cotter pin.
Oh,
I do
yeah.
want to do something a little bit more legit. Same with this. Look at this. To turn it, how much play does that thing have?
What?
This
Oh,
1/2-inch screw, yeah. Like, it's just sketch all around. But it's
you know
tight
what?
though. But it's tight.
That's classic mini bike. I'm okay
Yeah.
with a little bit of sketchiness, but at least get some brakes on this, Sam, please. And see what Martin's up to.
Oh, let's see where Martin's at.
Get out of there. Come over here.
Oh, going down.
Yeah. It's cool to see it like from the little piece of paper I drew to what it looks like now, dude. You know?
How is it here? Take the tape measuring tape. Take out the tape measuring tape. I wasn't invited.
You weren't even born yet.
No, I wasn't invited.
This is adults only.
Bad trip though, dude.